My name's Hailey, Sani, and we're getting started with Hot Girl Summer.
I thought it was Farm Girl Summer.
Why is it Farm Girl Summer? Okay guys, my fake tan has finally left my face. I'm so ecstatic about it. I was this close to putting rubbing alcohol all over my face. Anyways, I'm gonna be starting off the day with a nice little workout. Let me show you guys. I'm in the mood to go hard today. Like, I wanna sweat. I wanna do one of those workouts. Anyways, this is my workout outfit. How cute is this color? It's like a blue and booty check. Let's see what Tom is doing. Oh yeah, put that ricotta cheese on there. Can I have a bite?
It's like a night blue.
Tom talked, our fashion intern. Oh, you can see my butt from the back. How does it look? If your boyfriend ever says, little butt, run the other way because he obviously never listened to SZA, who says, lie to me and say my booty getting bigger even if it ain't. I literally sing that specific lyric so loud next to you and you just still don't get the hint.
I don't like SZA.
Damn.
Already back, I'm not really asking.
I'm about to finish the salad and I'm actually gonna watch this new TV show that I've been watching. It's on Netflix Turkey and it's usually not available to watch like just on regular Netflix, but I've kind of been obsessed with it recently. So I actually have a little like life hack and I feel like a secret spy every time I do this. So I use this VPN called Surfshark and it's basically like an extension that I have on my browser. Every time I turn it on, it gives me access to all these new movies and shows that weren't available to me because of my location. So Surfshark is a VPN, which basically means that you can access content online as if you were located in a different country. And if you guys actually didn't know, Netflix has like a completely different library based on like what location you're logging in from. Like you might have noticed this if you go on like vacation. Every time I go back to Turkey, I get to watch all these like Turkish TV shows that aren't available here in the US. You can change your location to wherever you want. And they also have an app, so you can also use this feature on your phone, and you can also connect unlimited devices to one single account. My parents have my password and they're so happy because now they get to like watch all these foreign shows and movies. At the same time, it also like helps you browse the web more securely because now you're like an undercover browser. So it basically helps protect your privacy when you're like surfing the web so you won't get like hacked and stuff. This is really bad, but I used to do this in school. You know when you like connect to a school laptop and because you're in school, it would like not let you access certain websites like Facebook, Instagram, and it'll say something like this website is blocked. Well, if you turn a VPN on, you can access any website. So if there's anything online that's censored that your location isn't letting you access, you turn on your VPN and then Google becomes like a free-for-all. And I actually have a code, it's just Hailey, and you can get 83% off plus 3 extra months for free. And the best part is Surfshark actually offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So basically you're not losing any money and you get to try it out for a whole month. I'm gonna have a link in the description box so that we can all be little hackers together, and let me know what shows that you guys end up watching on Netflix now that you have this like secret entryway. It's like the back door into Netflix. Also, this is a crazy fun fact, but I started my YouTube channel when I used to live in Turkey, and literally when I started my YouTube channel, YouTube became banned from Turkey. Like you couldn't go on youtube.com. It was just like blocked in the entire country. And as like a 12-year-old, I figured out a way to download a VPN, and all my first videos were posted through using a VPN. So if I didn't have that, I probably wouldn't even have my YouTube channel, probably wouldn't even be able to do the sponsorship, which is kind of crazy how the universe literally comes in full circle. We're gonna be doing my favorite thing ever, which is unboxing PR and packages with you guys. Oh, I'm super excited. I'm drinking chlorophyll water. Fell victim to one of those TikTok trends. Y'all know what happened when I fell victim to the last TikTok trend when I looked like a Oompa Loompa for a week. You can watch my last video to see that. But this week, we're turning green internally. I think the universe invented this TikTok trend for me though, because I've been manifesting sweating less. I've been having a sweating issue and like stinky sweating issue, which is a little TMI, but maybe you can relate. For the first time, I'm like switching from your regular Dove aluminum deodorant to like non-aluminum natural deodorants, and it's like common thing that until your body like gets used to being aluminum free in your pits. I don't know the science or the biology of it, but basically there's a detox period where even if you use deodorant, you stink. And then I started seeing these TikToks go around about how drinking chlorophyll water makes your sweat odorless, and I'm like, I started this capitalistic trend because of my manifestations, so I'm sorry about that. But I've been drinking it for now, and it's gotten to the point where like I've drank it so often that I don't get affected by the taste anymore. So that's when you know I'm like deep into this. But honestly, I haven't gone odorless yet. So if you've been experimenting with chlorophyll water, can y'all tell me, like, let me know when this shit's gonna start working, because I bet my organs look like Shrek's and I'm still probably just as smelly as him. Now that I've given you the updates of my anatomy, let's get started with opening the packages. You're probably like, I just wanna see this. Me too, girl, me too. Oh my God. So this is Tom's birthday present that I bought probably a month and a half ago, and it just got here, and his birthday was like 20 days ago, so that's awesome. The jacket is pretty cute. It's like this suede bomber. He's literally not gonna be able to wear it for a really long time. The sleeves are like kind of like leathery. I don't even know what it says on the back, but it has all these clouds and this car. He likes cars, so I thought, damn, Tom would look great in this. We have a package from Jouer Cosmetics. Ooh, this is a daily repair treatment oil. I actually want to give away the other one because they're both face oils. So all I have to do is subscribe and comment your Instagram down below, and I'll pick one of y'all and announce it in my next video. I always have hard drive issues all the freaking time. They'll work for a couple months and then they won't show up when I plug them into my screen anymore. But this time, like, all my files, I couldn't find them that were in my hard drive, and they're pretty important. So I was like, can y'all help me out? This probably took like 3 months. They told me to ship the corrupt hard drive back, and then they said that my data is recovered, but they also sent me a new portable drive. There's a washing machine. Oh, to add on to my curly hair method, which I also made a video about. Like, I showered today and this is my hair naturally, but now I do this like curly wavy method that makes my hair like super wavy looking. I have all these like tips and tricks, and this was like the final edition. Instead of using a regular towel, this is like a microfiber towel, and Nil actually has one from this brand and I've used it a couple times, and it dries it a lot less frizzy. This box is really heavy and I have no idea what's in it. You know my love for this brand. So they're actually hosting a virtual event. Basically, they're gonna have a facialist on Zoom. Everyone at home is gonna be following her steps. These are some of my favorite products, but they're also the face products that we need to have in order to follow her facial. So it was just kind of like the little goodie box to go with the event, which I thought was really cute. Oh, we cannot wait to see you virtually soon. I think you guys saw earlier in this video that I was a part of this Origins event. They had Andrew Weil be a part of the event, who's an expert in like integrative medicine, like natural medicine. He knows all about mushrooms, and he talks about how they're really good for your diet. I'm super interested in like holistic living and how to like get into like natural medicines and stuff like that. Apparently mushrooms have so many benefits for humans. Their DNA is actually closer to humans than it is like plants. There's just so many like health benefits to consuming them and also applying them on your face. I've been talking about the Mega Mushroom line on my Instagram a lot. You guys should follow me there if you don't already. The Mega Mushroom line was actually created with Andrew Weil. During the virtual event, we actually were supposed to make these mushroom energy balls. Again, like they sent all the ingredients so that we could do them like all together on the Zoom call. But the box actually arrived a little later than it was supposed to. So we kind of just like took down notes while he was making them. But now that I know, I'm gonna be making them on my own. I have 2 more packages, and I'm actually super excited for these ones because they are the fabric samples for my upcoming collections on Illy Baby. Illy Baby is my brand and I've been working hard on it. So I'm coming out with a summer collection and then also a sustainable fall collection. I have suppliers, which are basically the people that like make the clothes. I don't like buy them ready-made and like put my logo and stuff on them. Everything from the fit to the fabric is actually like custom made. For my summer collection, I'm not even buying any of the fabric. I'm having the fabric made from scratch because I want it to be exactly the color and like feel and the texture and the material that I want it to be. So this is the fabric for the fall collection. Or it's not really a fall collection. This is more of like a drop that's gonna come out in the fall. This fabric is actually made from like a recycled cotton and seaweed. And seaweed literally has benefits for the skin. It will never irritate your skin. It's made out of organic recyclable cotton. So the whole collection is gonna be around like sustainability and love for the planet. The core value of the brand is obviously love. It's called Illy Baby. Making clothes that are sustainable is really, really expensive. And it's really difficult, especially for small businesses who don't order in huge quantities to begin with. So it's nice that I had a few collections and now I can slowly start like driving my brand into that direction. It's like a lightweight cotton, so it won't be like my previous drop where it was like thick, warm, cozy garments. Ooh, ooh. We're experimenting with terry cloth, which I think is gonna be super popular this summer. It's basically like that towel material. These aren't the colors, they're just like pre-existing fabrics that they like sent a sample so that I can go through them. See, like this is how everything starts. Like I love showing you the basics of it because like all those clothes, it starts off like this. Like it starts off literally as a piece of fabric that I get in my house that I like sit with and just like feel for like a week and have these Zoom meetings where I'm like, I don't like the thickness of this. I like the thickness of this. You see this tiny piece of pink fabric? Look right at it because in just a couple months, this is literally going to be a whole ass collection on like a model on a website. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's laundry day. If you guys remember, I like had unboxed these laundry strips in a PR unboxing haul a few videos back. It's like eco-friendly laundry because this has been going around, but basically like only 5% of plastic that you throw away in the recycling actually ends up being recycled. Reducing your use of plastic to begin with is the most like eco-conscious way that you can live. Like, you know, the laundry bottles, like that's a lot of plastic. Like they're really big and I always thought like after I'm done, I throw them in the recycling and they get recycled. But apparently like if there's like chemical waste or, you know, just like product in the inside of it, most likely they're not gonna recycle it. So I'm gonna be using these eco strips for the first time. And it just smells so good. Like it just smells so fresh. This is not sponsored or anything, by the way. They just sent me these, but every time I find a product that I think like actually works and is good for the planet, I always want to share it with you guys. So it comes with these little strips in it. There's 32 of them, I think. So one strip equals one load. If it's a front load washer, place strip in detergent dispenser. So that's only one strip. You can put the other one back. So mine is a front load. As you guys can see, this is my washing machine. It's the Kenmore. Don't buy that brand. Really is the worst washing machine. It smells really bad all the time and I've had maintenance come and look at it like multiple times and then it like leaves all this dirt. Anyways, you guys don't need to know all the details of my washing machine, but it says you can rip it up into smaller pieces. Put it where you would put your detergent. That's so weird. I've never done anything like that. These are all my whites. So we're gonna be doing the white setting. I already put the softener in here. The softener I use is the Downy Nature Blends. This is the best softener ever. It smells so good. And this is actually like plant-based. So this is also their eco-friendly. But again, like this is plastic. So I'm slowly starting to switch into more products like this because this whole thing is recyclable. Okay. I actually have like 7. As you can tell, I have a few more loads. I'm that crazy bitch that's super specific about her laundry. Like Tom literally washes all his laundry in one load and that's my biggest fear. Like I have nightmares about that. Like everything has to be organized according to color, like light colors, dark colors, black, white. There's a vibe to this whole thing for me.